Hi guys, welcome to a Traveling Spoons with Ivy's cooking video. Today we'll be making an awesome potato salad. Potato salad is a common side dish found on everybody's dinner table. It is also popular in barbecue parties. My potato salad features eggs for extra creaminess and cucumbers for extra crunch. You will need 3 medium or 2 large potatoes, 2 large eggs, half a cucumber, a bunch of shallots, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and salt and pepper for extra taste. The tools you will need is a spatula, a spoon, a chopping knife, a potato peeler, a small mixing bowl, and a saucepan. Let's start by boiling the eggs. Fill your saucepan up with water and put the eggs in. Now let's go over to the fire. Let's turn on the heat. When the water is boiling, turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes for a hard-boiled egg. Now that the egg is boiling, let's peel the potatoes and cut them into small dices. Now that the potatoes are all peeled, we dice them into little chunks. I can hear the eggs are being boiled. That's all done. Remember, you have to chop your potatoes up into an equal size so that the cooking time is consistent. When you finish, you've got to put all of them into a bowl and fill it with water to prevent them from turning brown. The eggs seem to be done now. We can take them out, drain the potato, put them in, and continue cooking. Be careful, the pot is hot, so you don't want to touch it, otherwise you do get burned. Now that the potato is in, we'll put water into the eggs so that they cool down faster. Now, let's move on to the cucumber. The seeds in the cucumber have a lot of water in them, and if we put them in the salad, they will dilute the salad, so we don't want to use them. Now we'll put it in the bowl. Now that the cucumber is done, let's peel the eggs. Let's check on the potato. I think they're ready. Depending on the type of the potato you are using and the size of your chunks, they will all have different cooking times. But there's an easy way to tell if your potatoes are ready. If you use your tongs and you can easily cut through the potato, then you know that it is ready and it can be moved to the next process. Now we will drain the potatoes out of the very hot water. Now that the potato and the cucumber are all in the bowl, we will start by cutting up the eggs. If you don't have something like this, you can just hand chop them or ask an adult for help. We will now cut the shallots. And we will put all our shallots into the bowl. Now we will put in our mayonnaise. And add the salt and pepper just for flavor. Now we mix. The reason why we add salt is because the potato and the egg are all very heavy foods and the mayonnaise isn't enough to carry it out. And we don't want to put too much mayonnaise into it, so that's why we put salt and pepper to balance out the flavor. I know some kids don't like shallots, but once they have been balanced out, all become part of the meal and you won't taste it at all. Needs more salt. Mix it in. Great. Now we can get to the plating. For the plating, I will put the salad into a small bowl, and when I put it onto the plate, it will hold shape. is my potato salad, and I hope you enjoy it. See you next time!